As you can see, we're already wearing our summer clothes. It's nice and warm. Our archaeological sites are opening up, and we have many interesting things to tell you.
Did you know that Greece isn't really the country's name? The real name is Hellas.
Did you know that Parthenon was made up of 16,000 pieces?
Did you know that the apple was a symbol in ancient Greece? Maybe someone was flirting with you or proposing you.
Did you know that the Parthenon takes the name from the word Parthenos, that means virgin?
Did you know that tragedy and democracy are both Greek words and that they were born here in Athens around 2,500 years ago?
Did you know that the ancient Athenian coin of Athens, the silver coin of Athens, the tetradrach of Athens, was one of the most powerful coins of the ancient world? Athena, that's her, and on the reverse, her beloved companion, the bird of wisdom, the little owl.
Did you know the Athenians built the marvelous Parthenon in just 9 years?
Did you know that in ancient Greece, the most popular way of entertainment was called symposium, and it involved wine drinking, but only up to 3 craters. After the 3rd crater, wise men go home.
Did you know that the first guidebook was written 2,000 years ago, describing all the monuments?
Did you know that the first anti-war comedies were staged in Athens during the 5th century BC on the south side of the Acropolis in the theater of Dionysus?
Hello everyone from Athens. Now that you cannot yet come to us, we will come to you with our virtual tours. Join us now, and together let's make this trip come true. Greetings from Athens.